Intro, Ridemexo. Welcome to Ridemexo, your hub for clean and concise automotive insights. Today, we explore the American Toyota Venza, a stylish, efficient, and tech-forward crossover built for modern drivers. Design styling, the Toyota Venza stands out with its sleek, coupe-like profile and premium exterior lines. It blends elegance with everyday practicality, offering a design that feels more upscale than most crossovers in its class. Hybrid performance. Under the hood, the Venza features Toyota's proven hybrid powertrain. It delivers strong fuel efficiency, smooth acceleration, and standard all-wheel drive, making it ideal for both city commuters and highway travelers. Interior comfort. Inside, the Venza offers a refined cabin with soft-touch materials, supportive seating, and a quiet driving experience. Its well-designed layout creates an atmosphere of comfort and calm during every journey. Technology features. The Venza comes packed with tech, including a large touchscreen, wireless connectivity, and Toyota Safety Sense. Its premium options, like the Stargaze panoramic roof, add a futuristic touch. Practicality efficiency. This crossover excels in everyday practicality. With ample cargo space, excellent fuel economy, and a smooth hybrid system, the Venza provides a perfect balance of efficiency and versatility for American families. Conclusion: the American Toyota Venza delivers style, comfort, and high-end hybrid performance in one package. It's a smart choice for drivers looking for a premium crossover without the premium price tag.